If you're seeking engineering consultation or need expert guidance in your projects, don't forget to visit our website, www.eprogrammer.com. Stick around till the end for insightful tips and tricks. Remember to like, share, and drop any questions in the comments below. Tkinter, our GUI magician, is here to bring our converter to life. Function to convert binary to decimal. It's like translating robot language to human language. Magic trick to turn binary into decimal. Friendly error message, because everyone makes mistakes. Function to convert decimal to binary. It's like teaching humans to talk like robots. Another magic trick, this time in reverse. Another friendly error, for those oops moments. Update the result label with the conversion. It's like revealing the magician's secret. Grabbing the user's input. What have you got for us? Perform and show the binary to decimal conversion. Perform and show the decimal to binary conversion. Setting up the main window. This is where the magic happens. A title that's straight to the point. A variable to keep track of the conversion mode. It's like choosing your adventure. Radio buttons to select the conversion mode. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure book. Pack the binary to decimal option. Pack the decimal to binary option. An entry box for the user's input. It's like the insert colon slot on a machine. A button to perform the conversion. It's like the magic happens button. A label to display the result. It's where the magic is revealed. The main event loop. It's like the show's about to start. Now we run the program, and here is the result. It's fascinating to see how the code transforms into a functional tool. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to like and share. Your support is greatly appreciated.